The COSLUS F5020E water dental flosser offers a superior cleaning experience, reaching parts of your mouth that traditional methods can't, making it an excellent choice for maintaining oral health. Endorsed by an American dental team, this oral care device features advanced ultrafine dual-thread water pulse technology, delivering high-pressure pulses to effectively remove up to 99.9% of dental plaque. With an upgraded 300 milliliters water tank, this dental flosser offers convenience by eliminating the need for frequent refills, enhancing your oral cleaning efficiency. The water flosser boasts an impressive 30-day battery life after just 3 hours of charging, along with a compact and lightweight design, making it perfect for both home and travel use. The COSLUS F5020E is not only user-friendly but also offers a 3-year lifespan guarantee and superior waterproofing for safe use, even in the shower. This versatile dental tool comes with 5 interchangeable nozzles and offers 3 convenient modes, making it suitable for different age groups and a thoughtful gift choice.